Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this lesson, I will teach you on how to backup and restore our Mikrotik router. So in this lesson, I will show you the two main backups. Okay, the first one is the binary backup and the second one is script backup, or we can say text backup. Okay, so to backup, first you need to go to file. I hope that most of you know about the purpose of our backup. Let's say if our Mikrotik router have any problem, so we can restore from our backup, or if any hacking to make our device down, we can also use our backup to restore it back. Okay, so to backup, first you need to go to file. Okay, so here you go to backup. Okay, and then you just name your backup. You can put my backup 2024 July, something like that. And this one you can also put a password, but I don't do that because in case I forgot. Okay, but for this one suggestion, better you can put if you apply it for your organizations. Okay, click backup, and then so here the file, you see this one I have already backup. Okay, so this time if the backup, well, we can say binary backup, and another one is text backup or binary. So what you need to do, you go to new terminal. Okay, and then you write export file equal your backup name. I put backup 2024. Okay, just like this, enter, and then it will create this one, you see, backup 2024, or I see this one refer to the text file or script. Okay, so two type of this file is different. So when you restore, okay, you can go to restore, and then you choose, okay, choose my backup. Okay, my backup 2024. Okay, so what is the difference between these two? Okay, let's say this one I will minimize a bit. When you use the binary script backup or text backup, you can read this file. Okay, because it's text. Okay, I pull up here, you can read this file. Okay, you see here I have the my configuration of my network interface. Okay, I put WAN. Okay, here is my DHCP, okay, and port or anything. So all the configuration you can read and see here. And in case I have different model of the router, I can just copy only the script to paste in the new terminal of another Mikrotik router, so I can be get the new configuration easily on the new Mikrotik router. Okay, or even those on the same model and different modem, for the script backup can work all. But for the binary backup, you can only backup it when your Mikrotik have different have the same model. Like this one is the model like model 123, and you can also use this backup to restore in another the same model like 123 as I just said. Okay, in fact it can also be backup on different model, but you need to do some configuration more, so it will be take time. Okay, so I hope that you can find this lesson useful, and if you have any question, you can comment in the below video. Okay, bye bye, see you in the next video.